Hi guys, this is Atman Shah from Excellent Reviews, and today we are going to take a look at the Google Home Mini. It's a smart speaker by Google, and this is in comparison with Amazon's already launched devices in India, the Echo series. We're going to unbox this, set it up, and see what all practically works in India as of now, because this is not officially launched in India yet. And we're also going to do a comparison with the features of Amazon's devices compared to this, and see what all works. How does this work? Let's find out. So the Google Home comes in three different colors: black, white, and coral. It also has integration with a wide range of services like Spotify, Netflix, Google's very own Chromecast, and a range of third-party devices like Philips Hue, Wemo, etc. On this side of the box, it shows you some of the examples of what you can do with this device. Now let's open this up and see what all comes inside the box. As soon as you open the box, you'll see the device itself on top in the color that you have chosen. When you pull it out, the first thing that you'll notice is that the device feels pretty weighted. The overall build quality is top notch and typical of what is expected by Google standards. At the bottom of the device, there is a micro USB port for the power supply. And on this side, there is a switch to mute the microphone in case you don't want Google to hear your commands. If you want to turn off the mute feature, simply turn back the switch towards the left. This tiny little button is the reset button that you can use to restore this device to its original factory settings. The base is made up of good quality rubbery material which will hold this device in its place and prevent it from accidentally slipping it over. So apart from the device itself, in the box you also get some literature on how to get started and some safety and warranty information. And at the end you will find the micro USB charger for this device. On the charging end of the cable, you will not find a detachable USB port. Since this device is the American version, you will find the US specific plugs on this side. And on this side is the micro USB port that plugs in onto the device itself. The setup process for this device is pretty simple and straightforward. From any mobile or tablet, simply download the Google Home application that is available on the App Store. When you plug in the device, it will take a few seconds to boot up, but once it's done, open the Google Home app and you will automatically see the device that is waiting to be set up. Once you click on the setup button, the app will connect to the Google Home device. It will ask you which room the device is going to be located at, and then it will ask you to select the Wi-Fi network that you want the device to be connected to. Once the device is connected to your Wi-Fi network, you can start using this device immediately. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing video. Please click on the like button below and also click on the big red subscribe button. I will be posting a review and practical uses of this Google Home device in India in the few subsequent videos. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you guys for watching.